Hey guys! Welcome back to 99 Lifestyle. Today I'm so excited to show you what I got in the mail. So I'm a Shopeeholic type of person, means hashtag Shopeeholics. Here's the spelling, here's the word. And I kind of ordered something online today and I was hoping that it would arrive soon. And I didn't expect this to arrive so quickly. So I was so excited to have it, and also it's still in the bag. See? And I'm so excited to see it. This will be a first impression on this product. I ordered this on Shopee and the name of the shop that I ordered is MUMU. Now they don't know that I'm doing this video and they don't know that I'm going to review it in this kind of way. I wanted to see and review this one because MUMU is known to be very affordable, but the quality of the bag is really good. So I wanted to see firsthand if it is. So these are just two bags, but I am excited to see and review them, and if I can, I'll be styling them as well. So here we go, let's start. This is the bag. So these are two bags and they're mailed to me and I'll be opening them. This is scissors. Ta-da! There. So I'm kind of excited right now because I can see the green bag. It's like this. So I'll be inserting the picture of what the bag is supposed to look like, and I'm going to figure out if it will come out like that. So we'll see. For the best. So I've been craving for these kind of colored bags just because they are so easy to pair. They are so easy to match with different kinds of outfits, different ideas. Here is the bag. So I'm forming it now. See? So there are a lot of them. So I got it just a straight flat one. And then I just attached the chain. The chain goes around like that. And then I have to bend it like that. Also, there's a nice lock. The lock works. See? The lock works and it's actually pretty decent for the price. And I'll just insert the price here with the picture. And yes, there are a lot of flaws on it, like it's not really covered here, but I think just fold it here and it won't bother. Just like an extra thread that I might just cut. Just cut here before the so it's not really extravagant. I know the price is really affordable. So here is the bag. See, actually it's not that bad. It's a cute bag when you just put it like that. It's cute. I love the color. I'm so obsessed with color greens right now. I love wearing neutral outfits. So this is an easy pop-off color or also a nice summer color. Come on. So here it is, and I'm excited for the other one. And I think there's a reason, you'll figure out the reason why I got this bag as well. It's just so cute, the style. And I got this in a, you'll figure out when I show you. Okay, so I got it deformed, obviously, because it's in the package. So here is the bag. So I guess you guys know right now why I got this. This is the same design from the Hermes Birkin bag. This is the small one, and then you have to seal it like that. And I have to I will fix it up like it's going to look decent because I love this bag because the style, it's so easy to carry, and the color I chose is so neutral, and it can still be a pop-up color. And there's a strap. A lot of bags that are delivered online usually are not in boxes, just like this one. And here's what I'm talking about, MUMU. I think the camera can get it properly. There. So it says MUMU and that's the design of it. And look at that. It's so cute. It's so small. So the inside is just simple. It's plain. It's actually like suede inside, which is really cute for its design.
NANI?
That's nice. And like I said, it's a simple bag. So there's the bag. And like I said, I'll be mostly wearing it like this. And there you go. That's how I style the bags. That's how I put on the outfits that I think would look good with this bag. Hopefully you'll see this as well on my other videos, even my Instagram. Check it out. Check my Instagram. It's on the description box. And then if you like this video, if you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!